So I've just been, you probably would have seen this on previous videos. There's that big bit of 12-inch casing sticking out of the ground. So I've cut that off nearly at ground level. Bloody kids have filled it up with rocks and bloody bike helmet and all kinds of shit. So I've slowly been getting it out with a gooseneck hoe and a shovel, and I don't know where, down there. I've modified a 3-pronged hoe because there's definitely water down there, so see that or not. And it's below the bottom of this dam, so I'm hoping this might be an actual bore that was drilled prior to this dam, because looking at the lay of the land, that gully continues, so that would have been the first dam dug. This one would have been added in later, I'm thinking. So I'm hoping this might be an old well or a bore or something that they've covered up. So I'm going to keep going and see if I can get all that shit cleared out. If I can get down to, if I can get all the shit out, I'll grab that transfer pump from the little tank and some poly, and I'll throw it down there and see what comes out. I'll catch you later. I've had enough today, it's getting too hot. That bloody rock there took me an hour to get out. I don't know if you can, you can see it, but it's pretty deep, like Swan Neck hoe. It's just about level with the perimeter of the pipe, so there's still some rocks down there, but I'm going to have to try and pump that out somehow. See how we go the next few days. I'll find a little old bilge pump or something. Yeah, all those rocks. I didn't realise the kids have thrown bloody rocks down there. So I come over and have a look. First time in about 2 years I've come and had a look down the bloody thing, really. So, yeah. I'm hoping, I don't know, it's almost going to be easy to get a vac truck out here and get them to suck up all the rocks. But I'm not paying $500 an hour for a vac truck, so I don't know whether I'll just cut a trench out, dig down, cut the side of it out. I don't know. Don't know what to do. It'd be good if it was clear water, but it'd be a bit hard to find that out in the next few days. Anyway, catch us later.